In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Amazon points to redeem your rewards. Amazon points can be a pleasant surprise, an extra perk for regular shoppers or card holders. Let's dive right into how you can utilize these points effectively to make your purchases even more rewarding. First, you'll want to navigate to Amazon.com on your preferred web browser. Once you're there, locate and click on the Sign In button, typically found in the upper right corner of the page. If you aren't already logged into your Amazon account, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your email address and click Continue to proceed. Make sure that you've entered the email linked to your Amazon account. After that, you'll arrive at the password page. Input your password and click Sign In to access your account. Upon logging in successfully, you're now ready to browse Amazon's vast selection of products. Consider what you'd like to purchase, whether it's a necessity or a long desired treat. Once you've made your choice, click on the product to access its details. Here you can read through specifications, reviews and pricing to ensure it meets your expectations. If everything looks good, go ahead and click on Add to Cart. With your product added to the cart, it's time to move forward with the checkout process. Click on Proceed to Checkout to review your purchase. This step is crucial to ensure everything is in order before finalizing your purchase. Here you'll select your payment method, and it's also where the magic of using Amazon points happens. On the payment options page, look for an option to apply your available Amazon points. This option may appear as a link or checkbox, allowing you to utilize your points. When applying points, you have two choices. You can either apply the maximum available points to cover as much of the purchase as possible, or you can enter a specific amount. This flexibility allows for managing your points based on your shopping strategy or saving goals. Take a moment to enter the amount you wish to apply. Remember, any balance remaining after applying points will need to be covered by your selected payment method. With your points applied as desired, review your order summary on the final checkout page. This summary will display how your points have been deducted from the total cost. Satisfy yourself that all details are correct before taking the last and most exciting step. Once confirmed, go ahead and click Place Your Order. Congratulations, you've successfully redeemed your Amazon points for your purchase. This process not only enhances your shopping experience, but also rewards you for regular spending, making your purchases feel even more worthwhile. Thanks for tuning in and happy shopping with those points.